Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all well. As you can see from the title of this video, I'll be sharing with you my working from home routine. So now I'm just gonna undo my blinds. And the first thing I do in the morning is just go and wash my face, girl, and brush my teeth and have a shower. So here I'll be using my black soap mix that I've created by myself, and this just helps to like kill any blemishes or new spots that are coming. I've also got this Magnetone face brush, and I use this anytime I have a feeling that, you know, I'm getting some pimples coming in. So here I am just washing my face, and yeah, I'm gonna go and have a bath, and I also brush my teeth. Now that I'm done with that, I've come out, I've got dressed, I've just put my wig on because obviously look good, feel good. I don't know, I live by that motto. So I'm just gonna cream my face once again with creams that I've created by myself. These are just essential oils. And yeah, I'm also going to be using my Carmex because I live for that, guys. I can't be having chapped lips. Look at her. Okay. So next I go and make my breakfast, and recently I've been feeding some smoothies, but I try not to have like, you know, a sweet smoothie. Lemon and lots of spinach and also banana for sweetness. But like I said to you, everything that I'm using is healthy, and this is a green smoothie. If you want a detox, this will give you that. I'm also going to add water to that, and I also mix some chia seeds just because it makes it a little bit thicker and I like that consistency. Here we go. I'm going to just blend that. To be honest, this is a big size, but the way that I eat, this is basically 2 meals in one, and I like to sip slow. I also like to fill my water bottle, which I've been using just to make sure I have my water intake per day. I'm aiming for like 2 liters at this point. So yeah, just gonna go and set up my workstation. So here I am about to set it up. I've got my laptop already there. I'm just gonna plug it and charge. That's my table. I just literally sit on the sofa, and this morning was a Friday, so I was a little bit more relaxed, and all I basically had was lots of meetings. And you're just going to see me log into my work VPN and yeah, just start a meeting. I think I had a 9 a.m. meeting. I hate 9 a.m. meetings. Like, who does 9 a.m. meetings? I'll definitely give you a snippet of like, you know, how I started the meeting. You know, you just kind of have to do that little small talk, you know. Yeah, I'm doing well. How about you? Yeah, what are you doing this weekend? Not so bad. I've actually taken half-day holiday today and the whole day off tomorrow. I've done that every week till the end of August, just to get like longer weekends, you know. So guys, now I'm just gonna carry on with the rest of the meeting. At this point, I'm also on my mobile because you guys know I have Shop Nessa K. If you don't follow me on Instagram, that's my store where I sell shapewear and also dresses and everything else, women's essential. So at this point, I'm like focusing on the meeting, also going into my Instagram, and yeah, just trying to work out what I can do for the day. So like the lazy girl that I am, I usually like to lay my beds afterwards just because in the morning I don't have the energy for that, girl. So now after that meeting, I'm just gonna go lay the bed just because, you know, I want the room to look a bit presentable. I think this is just before my lunch hour. I'm just gonna lay the bed, and I'm thinking what to have for lunch. So I already cooked the meal the day before. What I made was some fried okra, and I say fried, but it was like a little stir-fried okra with some dried fish, and it's like one of my favorite meals. It's so healthy and it's good for my health, so this is what I like to eat. And then with that, I'm going to just have some tonic water with cucumber. And guys, this is so refreshing. This is when we were having like that whole heat wave, so you can just imagine. Now I'm going to use the remaining of my lunchtime to just pack some orders that I had from the day before, and this is just from my Shopness OK store, and yeah, just go and ship them. So this is basically my working from home schedule, and then after that I would literally come back and work some more until the day is over. But I just wanted to show you my morning, guys. But yeah, let me know what you do to increase productivity. So yeah, guys, let me know what your work from home routine consists of. If you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye, guys.